Hi, Claudia here. Today we are going to decorate some of the pages from my envelope to a journal. Last time we did the big tag, and now I want to decorate some of the pages. I'm gonna try to keep it short because I know we are busy, but I just want to share some of my progress that I haven't made any. I'm gonna make progress with you here. Let me see if I can find some here. This one. And this is part of the kit that I received from the Blitz in Amazon. And it has so much stuff that you will never really finish, and you cannot use all of them in one because it's so much that it's like, oh my goodness. So let's see, what can we put here? Okay, let's get a little bit smaller. It is too big for me, so let's get it a little bit smaller. How are you doing? How was your week? What have you been doing? We have a lot of fun working in some projects and a little bit busy, but is excited. And I like to be busy. So how are you doing? Okay. And this one, I'm going to cut it in half. And remember, we never throw anything away. So let's put this one here and here. And let's see what else we can put there. Oh, this is nice. This is a little calendar that maybe we can put it here as at the beginning of the journal. You know, it's like how to start. Let's see. I'm gonna make a couple pages only, I promise. And after that, I will show you my progress in another video. So excited to see my baby. I have so many pictures that I will show it to you one of these days when I have a little bit more time. I want to finish this one because this one is an order for Mina, and I just want to finish it because she's waiting for. So let's start with this one in the middle. And she said that she wants some pages to write because she liked to write, so we are not going to decor all the pages, but I'm gonna send her the extra the extras that I'm not using it, so she can add it if she wanted. And this one here. And this one here. It's a little calendar. So okay, we're done with the first page. We're gonna let her write here. Let's see which pages are not really for writing. Well, we have a lot of writing pages. Let's see if we can put something here. And then this one is lovely. And I don't know if I have any flowers here. Let's see, what do I have here? Okay, just 1 second. I have anything that I can put here. I have some little birds and this is the last one. There is nothing here. We can add this beauty here. Yep, that one is cute. What this one? Oh, let's leave it out both. Okay, so let's see what we want to do with this one. I can put her here, and I can cover it a little bit. Let's cut a little bit because it's not really straight. We're gonna put it straight as much as we can. Put this lady here, you wait there. We're gonna give some character to this paper. This is so cute. It looks like handmade paper, but it's just copy paper. But it has a good effect, so I like it. And this one, I like it the way it is. Here, we're gonna go put some color. And this one, and this one. I don't know how much can I do with the picture, but let's try. Just to see if I can take out the white from the border. Okay. And those are images from Alicia. I don't remember the name, but I'm gonna put it in the description box. She makes such a beautiful paper. And so this is part of a rack that I received from her. So I'm gonna look for the name and put it in the description box. So if you like it, you can order. She has beautiful papers. Maybe it's missing a flower, but I don't have any color flower that goes with this one. Let's do this one. Maybe I have something for this one. Okay. We have I like this one here, and I can put flower here because of the color of the page. So I'm gonna add yeah. And I'm gonna include the link of the both stores. So if you are interested, you can just go and check it out. And let's put this one. Oh, come on. Okay. I put this one here because of the color of the page. So this will be all for today. I'm gonna working on it and I'm gonna share with you so you can see the progress, and I have to finish because I have to send it. And like always, thank you for being with me. I hope you like it. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, okay? And if you make anything that I do, just share with the hashtag that is in the description box, okay? See you soon. Have a great day.